Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
May Doc have mercy on your soul.
All right, I want to know.
Will you turn that?
People are going to be so disappointed to hear that the concert's off. That's right.
Be 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt in my wrist.
Wow, this place is crowded.
Tayo,
Yes?
look ahead. You
It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. Oh man, that's just great.
Hey, what's wrong? My lucky sticker's all dirt.
And a lot of them. You know what to do. Just like we rehearsed. It's the goat.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...
You will see him like this as he drives away from home.
That's cute.
Oh, the indignity! Which hongy engine is in charge here?
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Then I remembered what they say about old British engines. If there ain't no oil under 'em, there ain't no oil in 'em.
What?
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing here?
Hello, Mater.
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMean!
Now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
This being Strip Weather's final season, Chick Hicks was poised to be crowned the new king of Dynaco.
You can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
you all so dense? It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the...
So getting beat today. A rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
It's over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one?